make sacrifices, bloody sacrifices. Maybe that's what life is. Bloody sacrifices. What's up, y'all? Just wanted to give a shout out to and give they flowers to hold on, let me get my trees in here. Got my trees in there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get all your trees, baby. The trees gotta be in there, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta love the trees. We are part of nature, whether you know it or not, melanin and carbon. So yeah, got my trees in there. Sorry I had my hair down like that, you know what I'm saying? I always have it up, so yada I mean bing. So let me put it up. Yeah, wanted to give my flowers to Rashad Jamal. Good brother. You know what I'm saying? Keep teaching the masses. Kevin Samuels, my brother, is on his thing. You know what I'm saying? He doing his thing. He waking up the masses. And all the black brothers, I want to send a shout out to y'all because y'all are waking up. You know what I'm saying? The spirits is woken now and the ancestors are here. And we got to get the women. We got to get the women right, man. Because these women still independent, still want to be old and live with a dog and die. Y'all need to cut that shit out, you know what I'm saying? Told you to bring the men home. Bring black men home or support your black man. Support your black man. You know what I'm saying? Support that brother. You know what I'm saying? Because you are the flower of life. This is the flower of life. Oh, let me show you my unk. I haven't forgot my unk. You know what I'm saying? Let me bring out my unk. You know, yada I mean ding. Boom, boom. Yeah. Brought my unk out. Hold on. Let me get that right. Bing. Got that there. Boom. Flower of life. You know what I'm saying? The ancestors, the Annunnakis are here. You know what I'm saying? So all the spiritually woke folks, please, you know what I'm saying? Wake everybody up. If you know what I'm saying, if this video reaches you, you know, much love to you. But yeah, I wanted to give my flowers to Kevin Samuels. I know you're a Christian, but you'll get it. You'll get the spiritually woken. And Rashad Jamal, much love to you, my brother. Peace and prosperity to you, my brother. And I can't forget about Young Pharaoh. No matter what y'all say about Young Pharaoh, I still ride with him. Like 4 flat tires on a Cadillac with the tents in the back, baby. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? And it's yours and truly, you know what I'm saying? I got green on, you know what I'm saying, to awaken some eyes and minds of the people. But yeah, we the ancestors are here. You know what I'm saying? It's a spiritual war. You know what I'm saying? What we need to do is get your crystals together, let your dreads grow out, you know what I'm saying? Sisters start being queens again. Stop all that, you know what I'm saying? The hot girl summer is over. You know what I'm saying? Be good to these black men so you can have soldiers, for real, you know what I'm saying? And to all the spiritually woke people, whether you black, white, or whatever color you are, we love you. And we finna fight this spiritual war. And what else I got to say? You gotta worry about, you know what I'm saying, waking up. Everybody need to be woke. And if you're on the other side, I'm sorry to tell you, you know what I'm saying, we're not here for you. We're here for those spiritually woken people, you know what I'm saying? And once again, I still got my yada I mean things. You know what I'm saying? Still got my yada mean things. You know? Flower of life. Right here. Bam. And that's shungite. That's shungite. You know what I'm saying? Bam. I love y'all. I want y'all to all wake up. You know what I'm saying? Stick to Mayat. Stick to African spirituality. No, stick to waking up and being good people. That's all I want you to say. That's all I wanted to say. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And I wanted to give my flowers to Rashad Jamal, Kevin Samuels, Young Pharaoh, J. Cole. You get it too, man. And you know what I'm saying? What is his name? Kendrick Lamar? Yeah, for sure. You know? One love. One love. One love. Let's wake up. Let's do right. Let's change this whole damn planet. You know what I'm saying? Shift the energy. You know what I'm saying? so we could come back to the originality that we were. Building back pyramids, baby. Love you. One love.